This tutorial is to show you how to use the ParentSquare app. ParentSquare is the app used by Wrights and Ridge in order to communicate with family members. The first thing we are going to show you is how to change the notification settings. In the top left-hand corner, you have 3 lines that indicate the menu. When you tap that, you will see more options. If you are in the Accounts section, you will see these options. Under My Account, you will see Notifications. When you tap that, it will allow you to set custom settings for each of your schools or for each of the different notifications. So I'm going to go ahead and click on or tap on Wrights and Ridge. Here I want school alerts turned on, so I am alerted anytime an alert goes out. For general announcements and messages, I get to choose how I want that information to be pushed out to my account. I can choose to have email notifications, text notifications, or app notifications. If I choose to turn on the toggle switch for email or text, I will be asked the same question that is under my app notifications. Do I want those notifications to come instantly when teachers or admin post them, or in a daily digest that is sums up every single post in one email or text? I personally do not like email notifications or text notifications, so I only turn on my app notifications, and I have changed this to instant. This allows me to get the text message or a notification on my app the moment anyone posts something to the school. This allows me to get the information immediately in order to not lose track of what is happening. If I tap on Sahuarita Unified School District, I'm able to then determine if I want to turn on or off different notifications from the district itself. I like to have email notifications turned on to instant and app notifications turned on to instant for anything that the district sends out. The next thing we are going to show you is the different features of the app. You will notice at the bottom of the screen there are 5 menu options. The first is Home, where you will find a social media type feed that is of all the things that are posted to your child's school. If you have multiple children at multiple schools, you can choose to click on the drop-down arrow next to the school name in order to switch to the next school. At the bottom, you'll see the menu option for messages. If you tap that, you will be able to see all of the text messages or interactions between teachers that you or they have initiated between the two of you. Next is alerts. Anytime the school posts an alert or a notice, it will go out in this section. Under events, you'll be able to see our calendar of events. You're able to tap on each of the different days and see the different events. Next to the event title, you will see a blue arrow. When you tap on that, it gives you more details of the event, and you're even able to add it to your device's calendar. Under the More section, you will see there are lots of different options. Sometimes when we post things, you will notice that we post it with either a picture, a video, or a file, and sometimes it's hard to find specific things within the feed because some different people are posting things. The easiest way to find a specific picture, file, or video is by clicking the Media section. When you click Media, it'll take you to a menu specifically to look at all the photos, videos, and files that people have posted in our school. We're going to go back now to look at Directory. Directory is where you can see all of the teachers that your student interacts with, and you are able to click on them to send them messages. Under the Links section, you will find, very similar to our link tree, these are different handy links that we like to give our parents in order for them to have them accessible at any time. The first one is the WRS Report and Absence link. When you tap that, it'll take you directly to the website on the district website where you can report an absence for WRS students. If you are planning to fill out this form, also make sure you email teachers so that they are notified as well. Anytime you know of an absence, please fill out this information. If we go back to the app, the next handy link is the school supplies list. If you are looking for the school supplies section of the district website, you can tap on this and it'll take you directly there. The next link is the district K-8 dress code. It will allow you to see from the district website what are the regulations of our dress code, what is permitted and not permitted. The next two sections are videos that are posted to our YouTube channel. We have a video that describes the arrival procedures and dismissal procedures both in English and in Spanish. The English versions are posted in this section. The SUSD district has also posted several links that they feel are helpful for parents, including the district website, the PowerSchool parent portal, the free and reduced meal application, which we encourage all families to fill out every single year in order to give accurate percentages of determine if we qualify for Title I funding with the federal government. The next link is the transportation, what part of the district website. In this section, you are able to scroll down and click the red button that says find your bus route in order to find the correct bus that your child should be riding to and from school. You would simply fill out the number and street and zip code of your school. Then you would click on the drop down button to choose the grade level of your school. So we would choose the grade level of the child, and if it is Rice and Ridge Elementary, I believe is how it's labeled. So then you would hit search in order to see what is the bus route that you are supposed to take. The very last link in the school links section is the board approved calendars on our district website. It allows you to see the color coded district board approved calendar in order to see what days are half days, full days, and when the breaks are throughout the year. Under the links section, you will see the participate section where you will have your polls, signups, RSVPs, groups, and forms/permission slips. If you have a teacher that has put out a poll, sign up, RSVP, or form permission, you will find these in this section in order to fill them out and participate. If you have any questions or concerns about ParentSquare, please reach out to us as we would love to help you solve those problems via social media or on ParentSquare. Thank you.